Hi friends, Jeannine here from Goodbye Tension, nurturing wholeness, healing hearts, empowering minds, and cultivating abundance beyond trauma. Let's talk about the next workshop. It's coming up on Sunday, April 28th, 6:30 p.m., Salt Lab Studios in Campbell, California. It's called Past Transformed, Unleashing Your Inner Resilience. Now just imagine for a moment, what would life be like if whatever that past experience or experiences have been are no longer ruminating around in your thoughts, no longer keeping your heart closed or preventing you from connecting in relationships. Imagine if you weren't standing in your own way because of those experiences. So what I'd like to share with you is a safe space where you will be supported physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually as I take you through the EDHIR process so that you can reclaim the parts of yourself that have either been separated or disconnected because of those past experiences, showing you how to reclaim them, heal them, integrate with them so that you're relating differently with yourself and with others. Now, you will not be sharing your past experiences with the group, nor will you be asked to share your workshop experiences with the group. You will be lying down for most of the workshop with your eyes closed, so please do bring a pillow, a blanket, maybe even a journal. And then background music will be surround sound binaural beats, which are scientifically proven to not only put you in a deep, relaxed state, but help you integrate with the heart and the mind, which is super important. So I look forward to seeing you there. Do reach out at goodbyetension.com should you have any questions.